Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to unbox my new SCANFROST blender. Alright, so just watch me unbox it. I've not opened this before, but I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it with you all. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this beauty. I've always been a fan, or should I say a secret fan, of SCANFROST, and I've always wanted their blender, but you know, life do happen and I've not been able to get it. But fortunately for me, I have one. So when you open it, you see this thing covering it, this, and then let me get this down. This is our blender. This is inside. Okay, see what it looks like inside. Let's pull it up. Yeah. See the beauty. Unveiling. Wow. Wow. Woo. See? This is quite heavy. And this one, this jar is glass. Yes, it's glass. I don't think I can open this here too. I'll have to go through the manual. I hope it has manual. Okay, sure, it does. Okay, see what it looks like. It has a dry mill inside. Finally it's out. Yep, this is the dry mill that comes with it. It's also glass. See glass too, and it's also heavy. And it's also heavy. Okay, SCANFROST. Finally, I'm blessed with a SCANFROST blender. Finally. Alright then, I just thought to come up here and do this unboxing with you guys. Okay, I love it. I've not used it yet, but now looking at it, I love it. I love it. SCANFROST, I love this. I will just have to try it and also know whether I love the way it works. Okay then, see you in my next video.